Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. There are certain tricky spaces in our kitchen that we are unsure of using it properly. This narrow space in this water purifier cabinet is one such case. Currently, I have just dumped all of my water bottles and flasks here. And storing them one behind the other causes difficulty in accessing. So today, I have come up with an idea to organize the bottles in this narrow space properly. First, I start by taking everything out and clean the surface using my homemade all-purpose cleaning solution. After researching for months, finally I bought this wine bottle rack from IKEA. This rack can be mounted on the wall and can also be placed on the shelf directly. I am just placing it here and it fits perfectly. It has a sturdy base and it comes with 4 sections, one above the other, for placing the bottles. With this rack, every bottle is directly reachable and also the space looks neat and well organized. This is my go-to travel cleaning kit. It always comes in handy when we stay in service apartment during vacation. Finally, all the items has its own space. And this cabinet looks much clean and organized than ever. Now, moving on to the bottom corner cabinet. I would say this is the only space in our entire house that has been poorly designed. I was opting for a pull-out shelf to maximize the use of space and easy accessibility, but couldn't be executed mostly because of space constraint. So today, I'm going to make the best use of this space just with some basic organizers that I have already. I'm using this plate holder to organize some of the frequently used items in the front, like dosa tawa, chapati rolling board and pen, and a spare cutting board. Then with this shelf dividing stand, I am going to organize my cookers and idli pan. I have neatly stacked the frequently used item at the front for the easy reach and the rarely used ones at the back. I have added 2 boxes of collected cream to the mixer grinder and giving 5 seconds pulse for 40 seconds. Repeat this process until the butter gets separated and it should look like this. Then I'm straining the butter and then rinsing it in a clean water to remove all the impurities. I will be repeating this process for another 3 times. Now I'm going to place the butter on a parchment paper and wrap it nice and tight. The butter is ready in just 10 minutes and I couldn't think of any other easy way to make butter than this. I have got 538 grams of butter from the cream that I collected over the past 2 months. Now comes the tiring part. Although I enjoy preparing the fresh butter, I hate to wash the vessels that I used in the making process. But the mixer grinder can be washed easily with this simple trick. I'm just adding 2 to 3 drops of liquid soap into the grinder with little water and swirling it for 20 seconds. Then giving a quick scrub if needed and then washing it with clear water. My son had his breakfast and I'm going to make a quick brunch for me. First, I cook 1 cup of pasta with 2 cups of water for 4 whistles in a high flame with a drizzle of oil and salt to taste. In the meanwhile, I'm going to make a quick eggless mayo in just 2 minutes by adding the above ingredients into the mixer grinder. Blend them 30 to 40 seconds or till you get this consistency. This can be stored in the refrigerator up to a month. For the pasta salad, I am going to chop 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and 1 onion as finely as possible. Finer the veggies, better the salad. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame and release the pressure immediately. Then let it rest inside the cooker for another 5 minutes. I have used my 2-liter cooker for this. Next, I am going to pan fry some leftover marinated boneless chicken pieces. To this bowl, I am adding 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 teaspoons of mustard sauce and chili garlic sauce with some crushed pepper and chili flakes. To this mix, I am adding the boiled pasta and mixing again. I am going to garnish my pasta salad with some finely chopped spring onions. To accompany this pasta, I am going to make some garlic bread slices. For 2 slices of bread, I am grating 4 garlic pods. Next, I need a tablespoon of butter. I will always cut the butter into cubes in advance so that whenever my recipe asks for the butter, I can take it with ease. Coming to the garlic bread. To the minced garlic and the butter, I am adding crushed pepper, mixed herbs and chili flakes. I will microwave this mixture for 30 seconds. Then I am spreading it on one side of each slice. Now I'm going to toast the bread slice with a teaspoon of ghee. I like the crispiness that ghee gives to the bread. Just by the amazing smell, we can tell that the toasts are ready. Then I'm going to complete this meal with pomegranate juice. That's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all again with another video. Until then, bye and take care.